Alright. Today we are going over two different types of power lifts. The first one is the power clean. To start, the bar will be starting on the floor. You'll want to have a deadlift stance by having hips below shoulder but slightly higher than knees. Arms are fully extended and should be slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep a close pronated grip at the same time. You'll want to have a neutral back, keep your chest up and head held up, and have the bar close to the shins and over the ball of the foot. In the first pull, you'll want to extend your hips and knees at the same time to lift the bar off the floor. Also, need to still have your elbows fully extended. Then we go into the transition phase where you'll want to thrust your hips forward and slightly flex knees and keep elbows extended. For the second pull, you'll want to triple extend, which means extending your hips, knees, and ankles at the same time for that to cause maximum force. Keep the bar close to the body. Once it got to the highest point from the force of the lower body, you'll then want to shrug your shoulders and flex elbows to begin pulling the bar. This will cause that flight phase. Make sure to keep an erect spine throughout. Next is the catch phase where the bar is going to land on your anterior deltoids and clavicles. Once the bar is at the highest point it goes, you'll rotate body under the bar by flexing down your lower body and rotating under the bar. You'll then stand up fully to count the full rep. The last phase is the downward movement where your lower body is going to slightly flex and the bar is going to come down to your thigh and kind of cushion the bar. And then once you do that, you'll come back down to a squat position where the bar will land on the floor. Then we have the push press, which can start in the rack position. You want to keep a close pronated grip with hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Once the bar is on rack, it should be sitting on the anterior deltoids and clavicles. Next is the dip phase where you'll come to a quarter squat position. Keep feet flat and an erect spine. The dry phase starts once you hit the quarter squat position. You will need to triple extend your lower body and the elbows to set the bar overhead. Catch phase is where you'll then press the bar upward with the elbows fully extended. Remember to keep an erect spine and head in neutral position. Then on the downward phase, you'll want to lower the bar back to the starting position of it leveled on your anterior deltoids and clavicle by controlling the weight down with your upper body and slightly flexing your lower body to help cushion it, the transition. Then these are the four sports that would benefit from powerlifting. So gymnastics, rowing, football, and rugby. These sports all involve a lot of power and strength by being able to take down opponents. So if you get an example for rugby or football, or carry your body weight quickly like gymnastics, or for rowing where you gotta really quickly push against the water resistance and get that boat moving. And here are my references.